you? Okay, we are going to start with a little introduction about matter, okay? Matter is anything that has mass and volume, and what is that? Okay, mass is how much something weighs, anything, an object weighs, and volume is the space something occupies. So imagine a deer weighs more than a rat, so different mass. This element, this animal has more mass than this one. And volume, an example would be this shopping cart occupies more space than this safety pin. And these two are general properties of matter because all objects have them. And this is why we have these two words included in the definition of matter. General properties or characteristics, so all the objects have them. And how can we measure mass? Okay, this is not difficult. You know, a scale is an object we use to measure mass. We put in here the object, and in here you can put the weight, okay? And we measure mass with kilograms and grams. And to measure volume, we have a little bit, this is a little bit trickier, a little bit more tricky, okay? This is about measuring with liters and milliliters, and I want you to think of medicines when mommy gives you medicines. For example, a cubic centimeter would be 1 milliliter, and this is mommy usually gives you about 5 cubic centimeters when she gives you a pireta, this kind of medicines. What we use to measure liquids is a measuring cylinder or sometimes a syringe for medication. And this is an example for you to remember things you already know. But what we do to measure solids is different. We can use very, very complex mathematical formulas, or also we can do this method that you can try in your house. I'd like you to try. This is called the water displacement method, and it consists on using a measuring cylinder that you can have at home. Maybe mommy has something to cook and you can use it and put some water and then introduce an object inside water, and you will see that the level of the liquid goes up. So if you could subtract this number from this one, you would see the volume of the object. Okay, so this is my idea. I'd like you to do this activity at home to see that it really works. But matter has different properties, not only general, so all common for all, even though we talk about different mass and different volume, but all have mass and volume. But some objects have different or specific properties. For example, flexibility, color, viscosity, hardness. These are specific characteristics, not common in all objects. And then density is the concentration of matter. This is a specific property because it changes very much from one to another object. And this is a good property we are going to learn about. You will enjoy very much, I think, with this property. I'd like you to do a diagram in your notebook with this general information. This is an introduction and you have to know it very well. I hope you understood very well the explanation. Goodbye.